In front of me is REALME 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this REALME. Begin by opening an app called Files. Then choose Allow or Don't Allow in the pop-up and click on Clean at the bottom left corner. Finally, tap on Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by choosing Clear in the pop-up. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my storage was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!